It is a monster storm, possibly a once-in-a-lifetime storm, a storm expected to cause epic flooding.
When Hurricane Florence hit the East Coast, one of the worst affected areas was the area in the Burgaw community, which is right outside of Wilmington, North Carolina. The people here took on so much water and flooding from the storm surge and the cresting river that many of the homes were completely submerged.
A lot of people still think that since we're a year past the storm, everybody must be recovered and everybody's back where they need to go.
But it's not. In fact, for some of these families, it's just beginning.
I've been dislocated since September the 13th, 2018.
It's been a year yet, a year, and we got nothing done to the house yet. Just a little plumbing, a little electricity, a little heating there, and that's it.
There's still so many people lost out of their homes, stuck in FEMA trailers. FEMA trailers are getting ready to be called back. They're getting ready to be homeless without more people and more volunteers coming out to help get these people back in their homes.
When the Florence came and we had all the catastrophes here and destroyed the home or whatever, it has been different, but it's still my home.
I did not have enough insurance to compensate the damages that were done to my home because my home was completely flooded. The water went over the top of my house.
We just want to stay here as long as we can and be a family because the whole community is like family.
It's a heartache, to your body. Every day you got to look at something you done worked all your life for, and it's going down the drain. Because, when you're out your home, you're almost lost.
I like a challenge. This is definitely a challenge. We're trying to figure out how to take some houses that got pretty wrecked and put them back together so that folks will have a place to live.
You're helping these people see that they're not been forgotten, that there's still people that will come and help, and that there's still an opportunity for them to see an end at the end of the tunnel. They see hope, they see light, and we need more people to come do that.
We've had volunteer groups show up from as far away as Pennsylvania, Maryland, Indiana, Illinois, Michigan, Virginia, of course North Carolina, and other places locally to here. But it's been amazing to see the variety of skills and talents and ages and backgrounds, all for one purpose: to help rebuild and bring hope to this community.
People have been just angels, jewels to us. That's what community is. And I have been proven and shown that's what community is. And it'll live with me the rest of my days because people have been so good, so good. I mean, I have my ups and downs, but still, God is good. He's been good to me.
We've got tons of work to do.
Some of the things that we need skilled laborers who can come and put up sheetrock.
Electrical, insulation, roofing.
We need painters, we need people that'll crawl under houses, we need people that'll swing a hammer, we need people that'll come and serve lemonade.
Pick up trash, people who can plant flowers, people who can pull weeds. We also need people who are just willing to be here and talk, listen to the stories, encourage them, pray for them.
dartILM is Disaster Assistance Relief Teams of Wilmington. Our mission is to mobilize volunteers and partnerships to areas affected by Hurricane Florence.
My husband is 79, so I'm hoping we'll get back before he or I kicks the bucket.
We just need people to come down and help out.
Find out more about how you can get involved at dartILM.org. That's dartILM.org.